Hello guys! Today let's make amazing strawberry mini cheesecakes. To make the cheesecake, first mix cream cheese, granulated sugar, and salt. Leave the cream cheese at room temperature for some time so that they blend easier. And once it looks nice and smooth, add sour cream and heavy cream. And again, mix well until it looks smooth. Next, add cornstarch and mix well until you don't see any lumps. And add whole egg and yolk and mix well. And finally, add vanilla extract and lemon juice. And that's it. It's super easy and it tastes amazing. So even without the frosting, I would love you to try this cheesecake. Today we are baking it in a regular cupcake pan, and one batch of the recipe makes 8 cupcakes. Prepare a hot simmering water ahead and pour on a tray. Just like creme brulee, the heat gets delivered more slowly by baking them with water baths, and you can create incredibly smooth cheesecake. And bake at 300 Fahrenheit, which is 149 Celsius, for about 25 minutes. Just like souffle cheesecake or creme brulee, it should bounce back like this when you knock and check. The cheesecakes are very soft while they are hot. Leave at room temperature for some time and remove from the pan. Chill them in the fridge for at least a few hours, and meanwhile, let's make very simple strawberry jam. Cut strawberries in cubes and heat them at medium heat with sugar and lemon juice. Once they started boiling, a lot of forms start coming out. Remove some of them with a spoon or something similar and continue heating while mixing constantly. And eventually you'll see the color gets much darker and the forms slowly disappear. And that means the jam is thickening more. Remove from the heat once you don't see any form on the surface and the jam looks very clear and shiny. When you want to store it, pour into a container immediately, close the lid tightly, and flip to disinfect any possible germ. A half batch of the recipe is enough for the 8 cupcakes, but today I made one batch and enjoy the rest as sandwich. As the frosting, whip heavy cream and granulated sugar together and make a very stiff, fluffy whipped cream. And remove any excess water on the surface if you see any. And pipe circle a donut like this. And fill the jam on the center. And pipe the smaller donut on top. And as decorations, I'm gonna use fresh strawberries and graham crackers. The fluffy whipped cream and the smooth and rich cheesecake with a little bit of strawberry jam tastes incredible. I always say this, but this is the dessert I definitely want you to try. It's so delicious. You know what? I forgot to attach the graham cracker after I sliced it. So here it is. Today I used strawberries, but you can of course use other kinds of fruits like blueberries, mangoes, and enjoy many versions. And this is the second option. You can also use cream cheese buttercream as the frosting. Check out this video to see how you can make it really quick. In the video, I introduced 2 ways to make cream cheese, but this one is the first one with less butter. You might like this one better if you prefer sweeter, more rich frosting. And also if you are hoping to leave them at room temperature for some time, this might be a better option because whipped cream frosting does not do so good at room temperature. And because this is buttercream, it gets a little bit harder in the fridge, and this is the texture when it's completely chilled. If you tried it, please let me know how you enjoyed it with your family and friends. It's always nice to know how you guys enjoyed it. Wrap tightly or store in container, and you can store for up to 5 days in the fridge, but I recommend eating it sooner to enjoy the best taste. Hello, hey guys. So I have a tiny update. We are moving. They're actually still loading up a lot of stuffs right now and just on the middle of moving. I am just currently filming from the new house. Just wanted to let you know because I thought you might wonder why the background is different. So from today in this kitchen, I am very excited to create new recipes and share with you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Enjoy pastry living, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.